Hello classmates, this is Dixie Cravens, and I am talking about the SQL keywords from, where, and the how and why to use them. I hope you'll be patient with me as I am brand new to the lingo and am struggling a little bit with it. The first keyword is the from keyword. They are always written in all caps. From identifies the database and the table to retrieve the information from. This can include multiple tables, and the information will be aggregated in the results. So this is how the SQL would be written. You would have select, which basically says, return from. If you say select star from products, what you are saying is return all, star means all, return all entries from the table named products. And if you were to, instead of putting star, put in a field, like I have put name, it would return the name field from all of the records in the products table. And so I'm going to go and show you a simple table that I've created, and the name fields are cannon, rocket, trap, and explosive. This might sound familiar to you. I took them from our website with the Roadrunner. So here is my product table, very simple. I have 4 products, a field of how much stock, and then how much damage it will inflict. And this is the only way I know how to do this. I've only been playing with this since today, but if you go to the SQL tab, it starts the query for you. So let me take this part out. So I am selecting all from the table products, and press go. And what I get back is that table. I've gotten every entry back. If I refine that just a little bit, and instead of saying, let me take this out, instead of saying star, say name, which is what I've called it in my table, then you'll see I just get the name field. Okay, let's go back to the next one. Where is the keyword. This keyword is the first step in refining the returned results. So where defines the condition or the conditions to filter the results. So the condition I am using to refine my query is the amount of stock. So I would type select name from the table products where stock is greater than 0. So this will return the 3 items that I have with available stock. Alternately, I could also say, return, select the name field from the products table where the stock is equal to 0, and that would return the single product with 0 stock. So let me go back to this, and we're going to leave that in this time. And so sorry, not only am I new at this, I am a terrible typist. Okay, where stock space is greater than, did I get it? 0, and I want the name category, and it's helpful sometimes. So select the name category from the products table where the stock is greater than 0. So basically, these are the 3 products that have stock. And if I go back and do select the name field from products where stock is equal to 0, then I will get the 1 product that has no stock. Okay. Some things to know about where. The where clause returns records where the evaluation returns true. So it's evaluating each row for true. Where can be equal to, less than, greater than, and not, or not true. And there's a couple of ways that you can write that. You can use the word not, or you can use the less than, greater than symbols together. So my example would be I can select the name field from the table products where not stock is equal to 0. So it's the same as saying where the stock is not equal to 0. Ugh, I think it's got to be exactly the way you've got it. Yep. Name from products where not stock is equal to 0. What did I say over here? Where not stock is equal to 0. Oh, yeah. I do that all the time. Okay, this should work this time. Okay, so these are the ones where the stock is not equal to 0, or the ones that have stock greater than 0. Same thing. Okay, the AND keyword. This keyword adds infinite refining when used with where. So I can select the name field from the table products where stock is greater than 0 and damage is equal to 10. So in this instance, I have queried all 3 fields from my products table, the name, the stock, and the damage, and I have refined the results to a very narrow field. If I had more fields in my table, such as price, color, and size, I could add multiple AND qualifiers to narrow the results even further. So I could say something like, select the name field from the products table where stock is greater than 0 and damage equals 10, and price is less than 10, and color equals red, and size equals large. And you can start to see how I would get a very specific return on my results. But let's go and look at select name from products where stock is greater than 0 and damage equals 10. Nope, it was where stock is greater than 0 and damage is equal to 10. And this should return 2 products. So the rocket and the explosive both have stock and damage equal to 10. And that is the end of my presentation. I hope this was helpful. Please ask questions. I'm not sure I can answer them, but I will try. Thank you.